Hello and welcome. I'm Lloyd Loader, your host. In today's special episode, we are going to explore how to download and use one of the leading crypto self-custody wallets within the Hedera ecosystem. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting Web3 adventure. Quick disclaimer though, this content is not financial advice. Always exercise maximum security and caution when using crypto self-custody wallets, as interacting with scammers and fake websites can lead to the loss of funds. By the end of this video, you have a clear understanding of how to safely store your digital assets and interact with Web3 applications. So let's jump right in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go directly to the Hashback Wallet website. Now, you guys, if you're using mobile, you're on your iPhone or Android, you could just go directly to the App Store and download the Hashback Wallet from there. I am currently using the desktop, so I'm going to use the Google Chrome extension Hashback Wallet. So I'm going to click on install on Chrome, add to Chrome, add extension. So it takes a few seconds to load up the wallet, and it's almost done. So I'm going to click here and open the wallet. All right, so this is where the magic actually begins. I am going to click on create new wallet, and I'm going to set up my password. I'm going to confirm it. Okay, I'm going to agree. So now, before I complete this process, I just want to digress a little bit because I think this is a very important point. So I'm going to click on terms and conditions. So guys, I want you guys to always read the third bulletin, which says your obligations. So this bulletin here shows you, gives you some of the tips that you should always pay attention to, because this can help you or prevent you from losing your funds, by, for example, you don't want to interact with fake website that contain malicious virus malware. You always want to back up your seed phrase. And make sure you don't give it to anyone, So these are all the tips I recommend you should go through, because the crypto space is full of scams, and a lot of them are targeted towards newbies, the people that are new to crypto. So guys, it's important that you pay attention to this. So I just wanted to highlight this. And there was actually a FBI report earlier this year that stated that over $5.6 billion worth of crypto was lost. Some was due to fraud, some, malicious software. So guys, please, for the love of God, always take your security, especially if you're using self-custody wallets, very seriously. So I'm going to go back to complete the process of creating the Hashback wallet. Okay, so this is another innovative feature here on the next step. Hashback gives you two options to create the wallets. The first one is using your email, which is really good, especially for newbies, because, and they are not so familiar with storing their seed phrase. So this is actually a really good option. And then the second option is the advanced creation, where you need to actually store your seed phrase. And I like this option better because I'm more comfortable in storing my seed phrase. But with that extra layer of security also comes an extra layer of responsibility, which means that you're responsible for that seed phrase. If you lose it, you lose your funds. There is no FDIC protection here. So I just wanted to point that out to you guys. And then I'm going to choose the second option, which is fully smart contract compatible. So this here is the 24 seed phrase that I need to write down. So I need to write down these words and safely store them. I cannot give them to anyone. Now, the wallet is going to ask me to confirm some random words just to make sure that I copied them safely. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so I got my 24 seed phrase confirmed. Now I'm going to click create a nickname for my wallet. So it's test wallet. And I am going to enable the association feature. So the association feature basically allows you to associate tokens that you want to be sent to your wallet, you know. So this association feature actually is a security feature that prevents your Hashback wallet from being spammed, because unlike other crypto self-custody wallets like MetaMask, if somebody knows your MetaMask address, they can send NFTs with malwares to your address and just spam your wallet. So Hashback was able to innovate around this problem, and so this is a really, really cool feature they have, and I really like it. Because I have used Ethereum wallets before, and I've received tokens that I don't even know who's sending me the tokens. But the problem is when you start to interact with these things, they could send you to websites that have malware links, and before you know it, they're downloading your seed phrase, and then they're draining your accounts out. So guys, be careful. So now I'm just going to confirm here that I'm not a robot. So I need to click all the bicycles here. Okay. And then I'm going to click on create wallet. So it's almost there. And now, so this screen here shows me my Hashback wallet address. So if somebody wants to send me HBAR or any other HTS token, this is the address. But I'll show you on the main page, the address is always right there. And then the secret 24 seed phrase, I've already copied that. Then I'm clicking here, I've saved this information, and I understand that my account cannot be recovered without it. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now that my wallet is fully set up, I'm going to fund it and show you how to use some of its unique features. Now that I've funded my wallet, this is what the user interface looks like. So if I wanted to receive some HBAR or any other HTS tokens, and I wanted to give somebody my address, I would click on the link right next to the Hashback logo. And Hashback gives me two versions of my address. The no checksum, which has the numeric part of my address, and the with checksum, which has the numeric part plus a few letters. So this is just an extra layer of verification, so that if you are sending tokens, you could just stop to verify, make sure that you're sending to the right address. Because if you mess up a digit, you could send the tokens to the wrong address. And then Hashpack has an innovative feature that I like that prevents spamming, which is the token association. So if you wanted to associate a token manually, you just click on add token, and if you have the token ID, you could just type it in there, or you could select from the popular tokens and then just associate it. And then the first innovative feature is the swap feature. I really love this feature because it allows you to swap tokens directly within the Hashpack wallet itself. So for example, if I wanted to swap between HBAR and USDC, let's say I wanted 25% of my HBAR into USDC, I could do that. I'm going to lower the slippage to 1%. And now usually with crypto self-custody wallets, you'd have to connect them to a decentralized exchange such as a Saucer Swap or Haley Swap, and then swap your tokens from there. So now Hashpack allows you to do these swaps directly within the app. And the added bonus for doing that is you receive PAC tokens. So PAC is the native token for the Hashpack wallet. And it's currently at 3.5 cents. And who knows, if millions of people start using the Hashpack wallet, there's a potential for price appreciation on the PAC token itself. And then the next innovative feature is the NFTs. I love this. So you can actually customize your gallery. Currently, I have 2 Black Cats NFTs from the meme coin Unlucky. So customizing your NFT gallery, you can add new folders. You can sort them by collections. So if you have multiple NFT collections, you could sort them by collections. And you could sort them in a horizontal format, or a 3-in-a-row format, or a 2-in-a-row format. And then the second feature that I love is the dApps. So this allows you to connect directly to the other dApps with decentralized applications within the Hedera ecosystem. So instead of exiting the wallets and then going to these websites, you can just connect directly to them from the Hashpack app. And then the next feature that I love is the staking feature. So this feature here allows you to stake the PAC tokens and HBAR tokens as well. So let's start with the PAC tokens. I'm going to click on Stake PAC because I can earn 5% APY rewards on this on staking the PAC tokens. So I'm going to click on that and then stake. And so it's done. So now I'm earning 5% APY on the PAC tokens. Now I am going to go to the HBAR now. So instead of me just holding my HBAR waiting for the next bull run within the Hashpack wallet, I can stake my HBAR and earn 2.5%. So here are the different nodes that I can choose from, which are run by the different governing council members. So for example, if I wanted to stake on the Google node, I would just click on Google and then stake. So now I can actually start earning 2.5% APY on my HBAR whilst waiting for the next bull run. And then the last option is the history. So the history just allows you to see all the transaction details, including the staking rewards credits within the Hashback wallet. So if you are new to crypto and the Hedera ecosystem, I would love to hear your thoughts on the Hashback wallet. And if you are experienced with crypto self-custody wallets, I would like to hear your thoughts as well. Please leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. I hope that you found this guide on downloading and using the Hashback wallet helpful. Enjoy your Web3 experience and remember to stay safe and vigilant. Until next time, take care.